That is not a worker. Someone is stealing our animals.
This truck will take him to my old farm.
He is taking Bella. She is scared. We have to help her.
Far from town, one quiet place is not quiet for long.
I must get out tonight. I cannot stay here anymore. It worked! The door is open. I am free.
But freedom can be dangerous when a bad man has no plan.
I need food, I need a place, and I need a truck.
Someone will pass this road. I only have to wait.
I love farm day. The cows always look happy to see us. They look happy because you always bring them apples.
Today we check the animals, fix the fence, and bring feed.
A farm is fun, but it is also work, so we stay together.
I can help today. I am small, but I can see little things. Yes, Detective Jace, you always see dirt, bugs, and missing cookies.
That truck is big. Maybe it can take me far away. One small piece of metal can change the whole day.
Hold on. The truck feels wrong. I need to stop.
Is it bad, Dad? We are not near town.
The tire is flat, but it is okay. We have a spare tire.
Stay beside me. Do not walk near the road.
The tire looks sad. It lost all of its air.
They are busy now. The big box is open.
I only need to hide. No one will know I am here.
Did you hear that? Something moved near the back of the truck.
Maybe it is the wind. But stay close to me.
Good. I will wait until they take me somewhere safe.
Good teamwork. A family can fix a problem when everyone helps.
The back door moved again. I still feel something is strange.
We will check the truck at the farm. Right now, we must get there.
The family thinks the problem is fixed, but the real problem is inside the truck.
We are here. Hello, cows. Hello, sheep. I missed you.
Slow feet, Jace. Happy feet can still trip.
This gate is loose. Dad, we should fix it before night.
Good catch, Maya. A loose gate can become a big problem.
Animals, food, and a truck. This farm has everything I need.
Only take the front bags. We will unload the rest tomorrow.
Dad, there is strange mud inside the truck. We did not make that.
We drove through mud today. We will clean it in the morning.
Feed first, then dinner. The animals cannot wait for us.
Here you go, Bella. Eat slowly. I only have 2 apples. The sheep gate is locked. I checked it twice.
Night covers the farm, and the hidden man finally moves.
quiet. Everyone is sleeping now. I only need the animals. Then I can go home. Easy, big girl. Walk with me and stay quiet. Do not be scared. I just need you to move. Sheep are noisy. Come on, move faster.
What was that sound? That sounds like the sheep, but it is too late. The truck. I knew something was wrong with the truck. Do not go outside. We wake Mom and Dad first. Dad, Mom, we hear the animals. Something is outside.
Stay inside. I will look from the window first.
That is not a worker. Someone is stealing our animals.
He is taking Bella. She is scared. We have to help her.
I am calling the police now. No one goes outside alone.
Good. This truck will take him to my old farm.
He leaves with the animals, but he also leaves a trail.
It is too quiet. Bella always says good morning.
The lock is open. He did not break it. He opened it. He opened it.
Some sheep are gone too. This was not an accident.
Yes, our truck is gone, and several animals are missing.
This footprint is not Dad's. One shoe makes a strange mark. This black cloth was on the fence. Maybe it came from his clothes.
Good thinking. We keep this safe for the police.
The truck went that way. The mud line is still fresh.
The police are coming, but we can follow from far behind.
We look for clues, not danger. If we see him, we stop.
I understand. We help Bella by being smart, not loud.
The search begins, not with running, but with careful eyes.
The tire marks are deep. The truck was very heavy. Stop, Dad! I see white wool on that bush near the road.
Good eyes, Jace. This means the animals came this way.
The trail stops here. We need another clue before we choose.
This grass is flat. A heavy truck turned left here. The mud is the same color. I think he went left.
A prisoner escaped last night. Do not get close to him.
So he is not only a thief. He is the man from the prison.
You are scared, and that is normal. We stay far away.
Eyes open. Quiet voices. If we see the truck, we stop.
Old Miller Farm. Nobody lives here now, right?
Nobody should live here. That is why this place feels wrong.
That is Bella. I know her sound. She is close. There is our truck. It is behind the old barn.
We stop here. No one opens the door until the police arrive.
Come on! This old farm is mine now! Move faster!
Bella is scared. She does not know this place.
I know you want to help her. But safe help is real help.
Officer, we found our truck at Old Miller Farm. The man is here.
Stay hidden. We are coming in quietly. No! No! I cannot go back! I just need one chance!
Bella is not running. She is helping herself.
Stop where you are! Do not run! Open! Why is this broken old gate stuck?
Put your hands up. It is over now.
Stay here, Jace. We already helped by finding the place.
You cannot steal, scare a family, and call it a new start.
You are safe now, Bella. We found you because we stayed together.